Do you even have a plan or a vision for the business that you're trying to build? Because if you don't have these kind of things, that's like trying to drive across the country without a map or GPS. You'll get there eventually, but it's gonna be a long, bumpy road, that's for sure. So you need to write this stuff down, not only for your business, but for your personal life as well. Now look, I can teach you how to build a real estate photography business. I can help you establish the business you're currently in, because business is business on how you build it. But if you don't have a plan and you don't have a vision, then it's going to take you a really, really long time. I have some tools in place. I've got a workshop I'm going to be doing pretty soon on how to help you get clarity in your life. But you have to have this stuff written down. And no, this is not an easy exercise. And I don't even know how many times I've changed this or added to it or revised it. But you have to have one. You have to have something written down. And then you have to put yourself in that place like, I'm already there. I'm already there. And then I'm going to reverse engineer it. And I also help people on how to do that, and how to reverse engineer those things that they want in their life. So start now. Take out a piece of paper, and a pen to paper is really powerful, and write some stuff down and put it somewhere where you see it and read it every single day, and then feel it, visualize yourself, see yourself in that spot already, see yourself there. I did this 4.5 years ago when I decided to move into real estate photography and close the portrait studio. It took a while, but I took consistent action every day, and that's what I want you to do as well. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please ask. If I can help you in any way, please reach out. If you'd be interested in the upcoming workshop I have, send me a DM and let me help you. So, vision and a plan. It's pretty simple. See you soon.